For 9 people out of 10 in our society, the happy faces you see here would be labeled as mentally retarded and declared to be beyond any hope of growth or development. But the human mind is not the intellect alone. It consists of emotionality, temperamental variations, inner drives, psychological needs. All these add up to make a truly human mind, a mind that has the potential for further development. Most of us don't realize it, but people with intellectual disabilities have feelings, perceptive observations, dreams, aspirations, and the need for respect and acceptance, just like we do. But the label mental retardation or intellectual disability and our distorted understanding of it robs them of their innate humanness, and we end up seeing only the disability and not the person. The loss is on both sides. We in the normal world are deprived of a beautiful and loving worldview that they create, even as we deprive them of the opportunities in our world. They remain on the periphery, always in the realm of sympathy, never given an opportunity to contribute to society and to their own well-being. At Muskaan, we are determined to change these unjust attitudes and bring alive the fact that our students may experience difficulties in learning, but they can be trained to become self-sufficient and productive. Let us give them a patient hearing.
मेरा सबसे बड़ा सपना है कंप्यूटर में सर्टिफिकेट मिले।
मेरा सपना है कि मैं सचिन तेंदुलकर से मिलूं जाके।
मेरा सपना पेंटिंग करना।
मैं देश का सिपाही बनूंगा।
मैं कंप्यूटर की टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ।
मेरा बहुत बड़ा सपना है कि मैं टीचर बनूं मुस्कान में।
Just like the rest of us, people with intellectual disabilities enjoy simple pleasures like dressing up and have everyday needs like wanting to look good. Divya loves dressing up, wearing bangles and checking out her appearance in the mirror. She is a high support needs person. Antara is a young lady who is very particular about matching her jewelry and bangles. She loves to apply makeup and paint her nails.
Muskaan aims to provide the trainees and their families training, guidance and support with the objective of providing them learning experiences and opportunities to optimize their development in all areas of their life.
Muskaan wants to achieve independence in the life of persons with disability. There should be a life full of dignity, happiness, confidence and comfortable.
हम सब की ज़िंदगी, हम सब के सपने एक जैसे हैं और यहाँ हम मुस्कान में कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हर एक के सपनों को एक सशक्त उड़ान मिल सके.
We have to work towards the awareness of the society to make life better for our friends here.
Ira participates in making papier-mâché products and does a part of the work on the candle machine. She is well adjusted in social situations. She is a high support needs person who had no structure to her life when she joined Muskaan in 2002.
Often it is assumed that people with intellectual disability cannot learn. But our experience at Muskaan has taught us that given an opportunity, they are able to go beyond our expectations in terms of taking responsibilities as well as dealing with situations in a mature way. They are also able to articulate their feelings, their desires, their choices and their challenges too. For example, once a student reported, मुझे सीखने में मुश्किल होती है. Another one said, मुझे कॉन्फ्रेंस में वापस नहीं जाना क्योंकि मैं बोर हो गई. मुझे अपने यूनिट में काम करना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. We need to hear them and respect their individuality. We also owe them a responsibility to create enough opportunities for them to realize their potential.
Yutika, the smile girl of Muskaan, is chopping vegetables in the cooking unit. When she joined Muskaan in 2003, she could not sit at one place and her grip was very poor.
Parents should treat all their children equally, be it normal or challenged. They need to believe that they are also human beings with feelings, needs, aspirations and a distinct personality like everybody else.
मुस्कान में आने के बाद जब मैंने एक्चुअली चैलेंज लोगों के साथ काम किया तो मेरे को लगा ये लोग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं जो कभी मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था। समाज इनको बराबर का अधिकार दे और समाज इनको समझता भी नहीं है और ना ही समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, उनको सीखने का मौका दे और अपने साथ बराबर का अधिकार दे।
Why can't society see intellectual challenges as a part of the diversity of the human experience and not merely a deficiency? Why can't society understand that people with intellectual disabilities have rights, have feelings, have a future? If our society wishes to be recognized as a civil and just society, we must first begin with acceptance, then create the infrastructure and services they need for their education and development. Our experience at Muskaan has shown that with adequate training and education, people with intellectual disabilities can become productive and responsible, leading a life of dignity and respect, contributing to their own as well as the society's well-being. When Deepan came to Muskaan in 2003, he was listless, unable to sit in one place and refused to interact with anyone. Today he is the star of the cricket team, exemplifying the sportsman spirit of mutual respect and fairness in a game. He is a dedicated worker in his unit, contributing towards artistically and aesthetically decorating terracotta products, his creativity giving him the stillness and the anchor that he so lacked earlier. Harshdeep was a very shy boy, extremely socially awkward, who always kept his head lowered and would not respond to any question. After 3 years of training, he communicates well and is a reliable and responsible worker, keeping to schedules and deadlines that his production unit demands. Once people with intellectual disabilities are trained adequately, there are many sectors in the economy where they can work with sincerity and commitment. In fact, they are eager to work. But employers must have the vision and the understanding to look beyond the stigma and open job opportunities for them. The sectors in the government tasked with empowering the disabled must give greater priority to those with intellectual disabilities than they do now. People with intellectual disabilities are discriminated against much more than those with other disabilities. Yet, we can learn so much from people with intellectual disabilities. The capacity to give love unconditionally, the strength to stay cheerful in the face of great adversity and rejection, the ability to spread unalloyed joy.
Truly speaking, in fact, I feel a sense of gratitude towards our young friends at Muskaan. They have deeply humanized me. They're so free from ego hassles. They're cheerful, they're very loving and caring, simple, innocent. In fact, I get inspired by them to work for their human rights. Their rights for education, the right for employment, the right for simple social relationships. It is paradoxical that all this is happening not because of their disability, but because of the ignorance and arrogance of the larger society. In fact, the people who need most support are the most marginalized one, and that is what truly disturbs me.
क्योंकि कई लोग होते हैं जो डांट कर जवाब देते हैं। डांट कर जवाब नहीं चाहिए, मुझे प्यार से जवाब चाहिए।
अगर आपकी शादी हो गई और अगर आपकी जो वाइफ है वो बीमार हो गई, उसने बोला कि आज तो मैं खाना नहीं बनाऊंगी, तो आप क्या करेंगे?
हम उसको बोलेंगे आप आराम करो, मैं आप पे सीखूंगा, फिर मैं आप पे खा जाऊंगा।
अच्छा, आपको कुछ आता है खाना बनाने में? आपने सीखा है मुस्कान में कुछ? चाय बनानी आती है?
चाय बनाने आती है।
और मयंक, तुम्हारा क्या चल रहा है?
मैम मैं ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट का काम सीख चुका हूँ और तपन सर जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ। जो भी उनका काम है वो सीखना चाहता हूँ।
मॉल चाहता हूँ, मॉल।
तो आपको घर का खाना पसंद है कि बाहर का खाना?
बाहर का।
बाहर का खाना डेफिनेटली।
और मैं ऑफिस में मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स सीखना चाहती हूँ।
Acceptance, education, employment, a life of dignity and hope. These are the rights of all of us, including those of us with intellectual disabilities. The crusade to end the injustice must go on.